Hey, what's up guys, Anfas Ahamed is back. Today I'm going to unbox a tripod, a knife and a tripod mount for phones. Firstly, we will open the knife pack for open the tripod and the phone mount. This is the package for knife. And this is the knife. It's heavy and it's a solid knife. We can bend it, but there is no button for open. Now we will open the tripod. This is the tripod 3110. This tripod has bought all the items today. Unboxing are bought by Daraz. I'll put the link down. There is a carry pack for tripod. This is the phone mount for tripod that is given by the tripod company, but it's not really good in quality, so I bought a new one. It will be unboxed in some minutes. We'll review the tripod first. This is the leveling liquid. It's very flexible. You can turn any side that you want. Now we will fix the phone mount that is given by the company. And the tripod is about 35 centimeter long without relief in all the blocks. We can capture portrait modes. This is the new phone mount for the tripod. This is good in quality. You will see in some minutes. It's very good and it's very flexible to use. You can turn any side that you want. We can take landscape videos like this video, and you can take portrait stories for Instagrams, Facebook lives and everything. Just I have fixed my phone to show you how it looks like after fixing the phone. Now I'll fix this mount to the tripod by removing the old phone mount that is given by the company. It's easy to fix the phone mount. Just a screw down. You can adjust the heights as you like according to your phone size. This is iPhone XS Max. This is very wide, so you need to adjust as much as you can to fix the phone into phone mount of the tripod. And if you relieve the tripod, this is about 110 centimeters long. You can easily capture everything. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.